everyone, welcome to the Tech Savvy Agent. I'm here to teach you all things tech to help you with your business. Today we're going to be doing a quick Canva tutorial specifically on the new Magic Studio feature. We're going to be covering Magic Design for presentations. We're going to be going over creating the presentation, recording the presentation, and exporting the presentation. I am working on Canva Pro today. I'm not sure if all of these features are available to Canva free users. Let me know down in the comments below if these features are available in Canva free. All right, on the homepage of your Canva account, you'll see on the left-hand side underneath the Home tab, we have Canva's new Magic Studio. Canva's been integrating a lot of new AI features, and this is one of my favorite new AI features available. Once you click on Magic Studio, you're going to be met with this introduction video. Then we're going to see Magic Design. In the middle, there's Magic Designs for presentations and Magic Design for video. We're going to jump into Magic Designs for presentation. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's saying all you have to do is describe your presentation in a few words. Watch as the Magic Design lays out the perfect slides based on what you told it. And if you have writer's block, you can pair it with their AI Write feature, which is basically ChatGPT integrated into Canva, which is super awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Try Magic Designs. This is where the magic's going to happen. It's saying here to click on the search bar in the left-hand corner, to write a pitch for meetings, free lunches at work, and press enter. And then to click on the first presentation under the Magic Design and apply to all pages. So we're actually going to click on the search bar in the top left corner here. And we're going to do top 5 reasons to move to Minnesota. And you're going to give it some time to think. But you see the Magic Design beta pop up. I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one like it says. It does say that it's a pro feature for this design. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to all 7 pages. Now, here we go. This is going to be the first page of the presentation. I can see right underneath that there's 7 pages in this presentation. We can go ahead and start to click through them. So 5 reasons to move to Minnesota in 2024. I mean, I just gave it a title and it's generating all of this information on its own. Minnesota is the perfect location to move to in 2024 with a thriving job market, beautiful natural scenery, great schools, friendly communities, and affordable living costs. There's truly no better place to live your best life. Slide number 4, vibrant, healthy economy, outstanding quality of life, incredible culture and diversity. I mean, I didn't even prompt it anything other than give me 5 reasons to move to Minnesota. And here we have this really well put together 7-page presentation. I mean, this could be really helpful, especially if you're a new or seasoned real estate agent. I could see how this could really help you in your buyer presentations or even in your seller presentations. You could put something together like how to prepare your home for sale if you're getting ready to sit down with a potential home seller. Why move to Minnesota in 2024 is page 6. We have growing job opportunities, a thriving economy, spectacular natural scenery, and quality education system. And then on the last page, it's just a ending page for. You can add more pages here at the end if you wanted to do a detailed page with your photo, your information using the elements, text, brand, or uploads button on the left-hand side there of Canva. In order to record this presentation, this is another new feature that I came across in Canva recently. I didn't know, so the same way that you're watching me right now with my little face bubble in the bottom left corner, Canva now gives you the ability to record these presentations with a similar bubble. If I click on the share button, it'll give me some options for downloading and sharing on social media, but next to that is the present button. And this is where the present and record button is. And this is really interesting. So if you're already paying for Canva Pro and you're looking at a screen recording software, maybe you don't need to opt into an additional screen recording software if you're just doing a lot of presentations. So present and record, you can see it'll give you a little bubble. I can click next and it will tell me to go ahead to the recording studio. I'm not going to click this because it's literally going to start recording and it's going to show you a similar page to this, but it's going to pop the presentation into a full page. What I am going to do is show you how to present this by clicking on the Present tab, just in Present view, and then clicking on Present. And it's going to ask you if you want to enter into full screen mode. I can press Escape to exit full screen mode. And there you go. We were on the last page. So all I can just do is click right back through to the beginning. And this is basically what the Canva recording is going to look like as well. Once you have recorded your ways through. So I'm going to click Escape and exit out of there and close all of that. If you wanted to just download it as a PDF, you can click Share, download as a PDF print or PDF standard so that you can email it over to your clients. I'm going to end it there. That was just a really quick presentation on the new AI features that Canva has available. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me some comments if you'd like to learn more, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.